abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
A good day, Bulawayo. Good day, Zimbabwe. Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by a Deb3 event company that deals with event planning. So guys, if you need anything to do with events, get in touch with a Deb3 using the contact details on your screen. Deb3 events. It gives, guys, I've always forgotten to mention this. Deb3 events has got rehearsal space for your events, whatever you want to rehearse on. Deb3 has got that space. So if you need any rehearsal space, be it even rehearsal for your music productions, Deb3 has that space. So guys, if you also need to plan for corporate events, social events, entertainment events, lama church, religious events, if you need planning for that, get in touch with Deb3 events. My name is Nonditu Zongcube, and as usual, ngihamba lo General Leslie. Qasheleni. Let's go right there. Let's go right there.
I wanted kulo munye usister usister lwana mina ngicrush yakhe, so andindlule escaftin chikela ba
Okay.
wambona nithenga ipie le apple juice, ipie fresh.
Crush yomunye mbani?
Mina yimi icrush.
Okay.
So wase decide ukuthi abuye azokwenza conversation lami component, so ngagcina ngimthengisa i-chicken and chips, escaftin chicken.
Wena wamthengisa?
Wathenga i-chicken and chips, bamfakela lama green salad le coleslaw, so savumelana ukuthi siyahlangana ngabo 3 in the current census studio.
Anyway, guys, I was just letting you know what ngihamba no General Leslie. So guys, if you need your sound system higher for your events, your stage higher, you can also get in touch with Deb3 events. If you need MCs or MC labo bakhona, if you need your lighting effects, your sound solutions, Deb3 ikhona khona lapho. And also special effects when it comes to fog machines and smoke machines and sparklers, just do get in touch with Deb3 events. So ngikubuze njoba okay usulapha, but it's been a while since we've been lapha enkundleni, so I just wanted to ask you ukuthi okay, so wa MC ya eshaku shutdown.
Hi,
you've not made it. Umethi khulumile wathi you have not made it in Bulawayo if you haven't been on the shutdown stage.
Is there a particular event in town whereby we say if you perform here, you have made it? And also, how do we measure made it?
By Bulawayo shutdown. Kuthiwa is the only event that matters. So yes, sisebenzisa as measuring thing yethu ukuthi if you haven't performed, if you haven't been an MC in Bulawayo shutdown, you haven't made it.
Ama goals akametha lo ukuthi empilweni yena vele ufuna ukufika ngapha, because umedit wakhe ulani bamnika iBenz ukuthi uyahamba yebona uVictor.
I know I'll be judged harshly for this, but mina personally I'm judging the book by its cover, guys. She doesn't look like she's made it though.
So I'm trying to see ukuthi my city made it ukhuluma ngani, except because maybe ngene omedit bethu abafanana, and because I can do a private event that can give me 600. And Still, I haven't met it because 600 Rand will just cover my rent and bills.
Komunye it's a lot. Like for example,
So,
him 600 is
ukwehla
a lot.
bomkhosi phambi kwabantu abangu 3,000. There's some pain. Then, but never only $5. We've met it.
So, mina personally, I think that lady, she was clever. She's a clever woman. She was clever about it. Umuntu kaphiwe isando zakhe. Isando, eh. She was clever about it because a lot of people didn't know who she was. Mina, for instance, I didn't even know her. I had never even seen her face. But because of that video, we all got to know, okay, there is Meti, Gulo Meti. And I started, following Ama posts where she's talking ngifuna ukubona ukuthi okay, what is this lady udume ngani. But the only thing that I saw, I didn't see any of her previous work, which means she's not as loud about it. I just saw that.
Maybe not loud about it because she
Oh,
is loud.
I
There's
saw-
nothing that
I
was
saw-
happening before.
I saw her videos. She's a content producer. I saw her content, yeah.
It's good and bad at the same time. Because when ungahluthi mina bengiwe MC we shut down,
Mhm.
I have met it.
She didn't say she has made it. She said
Ayi, nxa esithi nxa ungakalokhuzi ku shut down and you haven't met it. Yena
Yena
vela
says,
khona. So
yes,
she has made it.
she has made it,
Hey,
yes.
and so nxa yena esemade it, ngapho singamazi.
She has made it because we're talking about her right now. We're talking about her.
There are a lot
And-
of people that we
and-
talk about that haven't made it.
And
Sike saba le podcast kuma utalent. Haven't made it.
there is no bad publicity in the industry. So Meti, you are a star. You've
According
made
to
it.
her, not me. Mean I haven't met it. I don't want to hang around with people that have met it.
You know what?
I'm working on my met it.
Mina, I just want to shout out to Meti. I just want to shout your strategy. It was a very clever strategy. Hopefully, because it won't work. It was a clever strategy because everyone spent the whole week talking about her. Almost everyone on social media spent the whole week talking about her. And baningi abantu asebemazi because of that video. But the content is boring though. I think she has to improve on the content.
Meti, I don't know you. I can only advise you to visit Scaftin Chicken and get good food. Met it, met it. Also, special thanks to Ogushle Designs. I was so busy this week doing poster lami for my upcoming comedy. And Ogushle Designs so probably just keep umzila low faggot low less when I was into lazy bra. So for anything, graphic designing, whether it's t-shirt printing, T-shirt printing, yeah. T-shirt printing, banners, posters, branding, uvula restaurant, and you want them to come and brand your restaurant for you. Ogushle Designs are there for all that. Whether you need road signs, whatever, anything that has to do with graphic designings, visit Ogushle Designs or just contact them on the numbers. Aphumayo lapha, lawe uyagcina usule yakho imedit nxa usufanele Ogushle Designs. Baloku imedit kwabo so sharp so. Mina, I've met it. I've met it. Do you know what? I think the only people that have met it are ama-chancellor, ama-Pemba.
Sure.
Why bengabanjwa kanti?
Now the thing about I've very mixed emotions in terms of abantu abamachet, because there was a time when this whole trend started. And we saw groups of boys, very, very young boys, as young as 18 years, 19 years, and they were arrested. And when they were arrested, and then spokesperson wamapolisa wafaka there is a voice note. I actually
Unyati?
do have it. Mam Sebele, yes.
Ora.
She actually was a city. Now the thing is, although Machet gangs they are there, they've been arrested. 3 groups were arrested. According to her, 3 groups were arrested. Now, the thing is, we are exaggerating things and we are being alarmist because kukhona, yes, but the way we are doing it, the way we are spreading the news, spread the news is last year's and pretend as if it's something that happened yesterday. So she was saying it's good ukuthi sibe sibe alert but singabi ngama fake news peddlers ukuthi uyathatha into eyenzakale emayini yegokhwe le last year uyiposte uthi iyenzakale izolo kumbe iyenzakale ngesanti.
But phela last week umuntu oganyileyo emakhandeni.
I'm
And in that
saying-
same week kulogado oganyileyo eMpophoma.
Zwana Leslie.
And
Leslie.
no,
I'm saying
angiyali
kukhona,
khonke okukhulunywa ngumama nje. But angafuna ukusithulisa futhi because things are happening.
No, lalela ngikutshela. I have the voice note here. I wish
No, I understand
it's a very
the point yakhe and
Can you
bona ababopha abantu abasigamlayo.
bayabopha
Whether
lalela.
sikhuluma kwa last year kumbe
Anti bathe zona Leslie. The voice note is saying so far 3 groups have been arrested and they are abatsho ukuthi sebehlezi. They are still arresting anyone obanjwani.
Then the moment
Lalela.
besithi but lingaspread ezinye news
I think
thina
this
sibabona
thing
begamula.
is the same as during COVID. During COVID, a lot of fake news was being spread. It didn't mean ukuthi bathi i-COVID ayikho. Sasithola civil health information ukuthi no, follow accurate news. Auntie, post accurate news. So there was a lot of fake news okusenza ukuthi i-COVID igcina ikhanya iyinto engayisiyo. Kuyafana le ndaba yama-machete naleyi.
Agreed.
The machete gangs are there. But indlela esesikwenza ngayo thina sesiku exaggerate kakhulu lokho ukuthi ugcine kungathiwa siphile egangeni or something.
Ngiyala the word exaggeration. Because unless you are in a place where it's really happening, and
yeah,
that's the only time that you'll understand. People are not exaggerating this. This is scary. It's scary ukuthi uvuka ekuseni. All right. It's scary ukuthi kusasa so nxa uphuma so endlini uthola umuntu elele lapha eganyuliwe. Uthiwa uganyulwe ebusuku and then ubususiza umuntu amapolice esithi hayi singaku exaggerate. Wena umkhangeli umuntu nangu uganyuliwe la.
Amapolice awathi ukuthi singathi umuntu eganyulwe sithi kaganyulwanga. Amapolice athi
uganyuliwe phela
umuntu nxa eganyuliwe.
Uganyuliwe.
Lalela. Amapolice athi umuntu nxa eganyuliwe ungathathi ama-photos omuntu oganyilwe fonela amapolisa.
But it's also an awareness to us.
Ngoba khathesi lalela kufana labantu laba abapost abathatha ama-shoot ama-pictures e-accident. Right? Uyazi ukuthi umuntu uyashoot i-picture khathesi umuntu eganyuliwe anti kufonelwa amapolisa kwenziwe yonke into eyenzakeleyo namuhla uyipost i-picture leyana kulabanye abantu njengawe khathesi lesi oba offline anti awusoze uyibona i-picture lana ipostiwe according to indlela ekhulunywe ngumama uSpokslady and awusoze uyibona i-picture lana then next week wena susiba online uthole mina ngipost i-picture leyi namuhla like sengipost i-picture lana iposted this week the following week sengiyiposta sesizangani kwenzakale ngeSandi. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes,
I'm getting that. Usubona nganthiwa into leyi iyenzakala izolo. But kuyinto esile 3-4 months yayenzakala.
I'm getting what you're saying.
Can you see the bad side of this?
No, I don't see the bad side of that at all.
Oh my God.
I get what you're saying and I get the wrong of posting news ezingekho accurate and but I'm saying for her to say that now is wrong timing. When we have a danger spot maybe kasi eyokuthi la indawo le and mana andi mina benthuli ikhevu leli liyabulala abantu every week and this week kuyi Honda Fit, next week kuyi Benz, next week kuyi Komba and even mina ngaze mposte iHonda Fit our 3 months back. As long as imoto zilokho ezisiwa khompana we should continue talking about that space.
Uyenza nganiwele khona pha.
Kodwa ngamanga yini uthi lapha kuyizimota la?
Ileyo iqambayo ngamanga.
But imoto akaziwi yini la?
Imoto ewele eGwanda.
Imoto akaziwi yini la?
Towards the end of the voice note. Okay, can I answer that? Towards the end of the voice note, she says, if you feel you need to post something, at least faka i-date ukuthi nansi ingozi eyenzakale namhla ngolwesibili mhla ka-14 March 2025.
I mean vela
yes,
sorry na.
I'm in support of that. I'm in support of that.
Because
at least if you are posting accident or crime eyenzakaleyo, I feel ukuthi it's helpful to the police, to the public, to the consumers of your content for you to put a date ukuthi okay namhla is Tuesday mhla ka-2 mhla ka-3 March 2025.
Ngizokuchasisa. ibale lithi phovo lithi people of various opinions. And
Mhm.
when you are a trained individual, ulipolice, udila le phovo, abanye baqala ukubamba abafoni, and first time umuntu uhambe wagweja wathola ifoni for the first time, omunye ube sebenza emakhaya for the first time, wabuya etown wasebenza e-industry, and kufanana lama-chain messages lawana ukuthi kuthiwa kulama-loan atholakalayo not alright, and people will always forward that. But let's not use that as defense makule ngozi enzakalayo
It's not
around.
defense. Have you
It becomes defense because we are now afraid of talking about it ngoba kuzathiwa faka i-date and time, but abantu beganyulwa every day.
Whereas ukuthi nani, let's talk about citizen journalism. I would really want to acknowledge.
It's not everyone who understands
I would really want
citizen
to
journalism.
acknowledge and appreciate institutions such as SITE, abayenza ama-trainings for citizen journalism. Now, the thing is you are saying it's not everyone, but amapolisa lawo, they are raising awareness. Lapha uyazi ukuthi into leyi eyenzakale la.
Umbuzo mfishane. Umbuzo yi-one, then ubusuqedisa. Umbuzo.
It's a way ngezinye indlela of educating the public about yikuthi yena kasakufaki ukuthi I'm educating you about citizen journalism. It's a way of educating the public about responsible reporting
Umbuzo
of
wami
his
nangu.
news.
Umbuzo wami andi. Ungawuphendula sesidlula umbuzo wami.
Okay.
Abantu bamapemba bakho enkaresi and abantu abafi yini? Khathesi.
Angwazi.
All right, good. So it's happening. There are a lot of people that are losing their lives because of the machete gangs. So yes, if we want to start teaching about responsible journalism or whatever that you guys call it, and let's find right timing.
What do you mean right timing? It's
This
the
is
time
no.
that-
No.
you know what? There
It's
is
not.
nothing. There is nothing
It's
important
not.
as
Into zakhona vele kazilinkani vele.
in a time
I know.
of crisis. Like this is a time of crisis. Issue
I don't want to be political about this.
Wait.
That's why I'll choose
No.
to keep quiet.
You know
But
what?
there's a lot of propaganda that we are not addressing. And then thina nxa sesiposta impilo zethu ezokuthi asikho safe elokishini, sesifundiswa irresponsible journalism. But there is a lot of propaganda.
In a time of
And
crisis,
we don't want to talk about it. And
accurate
lawo nje don't want to talk about
accurate
it.
information is important
And
in a time
it's
of
not
crisis.
only us that are not giving accurate information. It's not only the public. So why do we have to emphasize on it when it's the public that is inaccurate?
You know what? You know what? I feel like I've said what I need to say. You know, I feel because what I know is that in a time of crisis, select crisis yama machete gangs. In a time of crisis, information, correct, accurate information is important to the public. So I don't think it's helping anyone ukuthi umuntu athathe i-accident eyayenzakala eBeitbridge ngo-2022 ayiposta ayenza ngani yenzakale ngo-end of May 2025. I don't think it helps anyone.
I choose to keep quiet.
We do want to raise awareness about i-crime le eyenzakalayo. Yes, let's raise awareness, but let's also be careful ngento esizenza ukuthi if I'm posting wrong information kahle because if the information is wrong, let me tell you something. Abanye abantu abangawu-experience-iyo vele they won't even take it serious ngoba umuntu uzathi i-fake news lokhu kwayenzakala eBeitbridge. Okutsho ukuthi lento eyi-real eyenzakala izolo nxa usuyiposta omunye umuntu uzathi abalawa bahlala beposta i-fake news last time baposta into eyenzakala eBeitbridge ngo-2022. Do you get what I'm saying? I think
peace.
It's important ukuthi information. No, you choose peace, but I stand by what I'm saying.
Yes. I agree fully. I agree. I choose peace.
Anyways, talking about news, we've been seeing a lot of news about the Trabaplas interchange. You know, I also have mixed emotions about this one because I think at the same time I feel like we do need to celebrate this development, but also I feel like it's ridiculous. Celebrate umgwaqo. I feel like we do need to celebrate. It's the first of its kind in Zimbabwe. We've
Yeah,
never had something like that.
mm.
And I feel what is ridiculous. At this day and age of 2025, we're celebrating ukwakhiwa kwe-bridge, ukwakhiwa kwe-spaghetti or whatever you call that interchange thing. And also, and I've been seeing people complaining about the amount of money that was spent in building that road.
For me, I think yes, I agree with you that it's but I also feel as Zimbabwe we need to start celebrating our baby steps
Mhm.
because in most cases we have nothing at all. So I feel like sokumele sibili ukuthi even uKolthatha angadonate beam sithabe sibili like
Now the thing is what you're saying, I agree with what you're saying. But now the thing is, there's a group of people. There's a group of people abale happy ukuthi if you celebrate the little thing, that's how our government does for us. Because thina sijayele ukuhlukumezwa guys, sijayele ukuhlukuluzwa, sijayele udubo. And then nxa kusenzakala into encane, if you celebrate, people will start crushing you.
Yeah, that's the problem. Uthabelani. But mina personal, mina ngedwa, mina standing for myself, not anyone. I'm not a politician. I have started to accept that there is nothing. So ngathi nxa mvuka so ekuseni ngisiya emsebenzini ngibona ama-refuse collectors bedlula so bedobha so I get excited.
Yeah.
Namhla izibi ziyathathwa so nge-Tuesday amanzi angabuya so ngithi namhla amanzi awile.
So people should just let us celebrate.
Allow us to be happy.
Because kufana lo umntwana ohlukuluzwayo, umntwana oswelayo, umntwana ohlukuluzwayo.
Ngimthengela iswitsi. It's heaven.
Yathi line yonke ukuthi ngithekela iswitsi. So mina ngiyasaba nokupost ukuthi hey thank you ngiyasaba nokupost
vele bakuthethisa into uyehlanya
kuzaqalisa ukukhulunywa ukuthi hey waspend ama-million. I saw umuntu sebeqabelisa. Of course I also saw some pictures showing ukuthi it's a bit substandard. I don't know if it's very substandard. I don't know the extent of the substandardness, but I was just celebrating with okay, it's a first of its kind, and I don't know. I'm one Zimbabwean who's still hopeful. Hopeful. Maybe we'll see many of those.
Yeah.
And also since it's the first time, maybe we're going to see improvement in terms of the standard, because people are complaining. They are complaining, saying it's a bit substandard. It's substandard actually. So I'm just praying and I'm being hopeful. When more of them are being built, more of them are being constructed, the standard is going to improve. And so I'm just hoping even in this side.
And to a certain extent, it also goes back to what you just said now. Ukuthi umuntu uyathatha ipicture yento engayisiyo, then I align with that, because the construction of into enjeyana, it's not one contractor who goes there. You have like different people. Abanye bebuye just for concrete works, abanye bebuye for steel works, abanye bebuye for surfacing and all that. And I was there when that project started. Before I left construction, when it started, civil surface, before it went up, I was there. Yes, things change as time goes on, but I remember you do base one and you'd be inspected. Into let me see, maybe 2018 or 19.
You lie.
Yeah. I think somewhere there, 2018 or 19.
But it started trending recently.
No, anti sakala pans surface. Then yes, 2018, right? Yeah.
All those years.
Yes.
That too much
we were
too much
one
time.
of the first people. Civil kungakabi lalutho civil. Sakala civil 2018, yeah. So first sisayenza pans. You'd do base one, and it will be inspected, and it will fail, and you'd repeat, and you'll do it again. And but now, like it always happens everywhere. Uthi project yaqala kuhle but ekugcineni ngale maybe sabe excited what. And
Okay.
then also people will judge such a very big thing ngesurface ukuthi umduli yabo yakhiwe kuhle, then kwasokufika abantu abarufayo bafika barufa ngematerial engayisiyo, then you say it's substandard instead of just saying let's change what roofing. And so ipicture lana esendiweyo, that's the last process yokusurface le. It's the last and the most useless actually, though
But
you
isn't it going to be a big pothole or something?
it's
That road,
not,
because-
if it's up then kunzima ukuthi kube le big pothole ngaphandle nxa kuyiphansi yakho.
So can I interview you a bit? Why did you leave the construction industry?
Allow me to be Leslie. Let's find a day for that.
Okay. Okay.
But
Okay.
I just hope Lam, I just wish to visit there and really see
You know,
kwenzakale
when I
kuhle
saw it,
sibili.
I was like, okay, I really want to, go and see that, because we only see those kind of things in South Africa. We
Yeah,
don't see them
yeah,
here.
yeah,
So I'm celebrating. I know bakhona abazali. And we have this. We have to realize ukuthi sometimes siyaphongulandela nje abanye abantu, and sometimes izinto lezi those are political squabbles.
Yeah,
Those
true.
are political squabbles, and you find ukuthi abantu nxa besilwa ngale thina lathi we come and
Yeah. No,
So-
mina personally, I'm now positive. Honestly, I'm now positive. I moved from Makandeni to Makwekwe. Makandeni bengikata $5. Emakwekwe ngikata $1. But that's progress. I'm okay. Kulama refuse collectors ngale abuya and they're consistent. That's okay, because if you're waiting for a time in your life where you'll wake up in the morning and everything is just unique, you'll die of stress. Yet politicians are eating
I've
money.
actually
and
seen
enjoying.
a lot of people complaining. They say, hey, I'm a refuse collectors are boy. I'm like, where is that area? Because get Mkanwini every Monday.
Yeah.
Every Monday they collect.
And do you know what
refuse.
abantu labana, they have no option, especially aba collector emalokishini, because ngabantu abaphiwa i-contract. And so bayakwazi ukuthi bangekele ukuthatha then abaholi.
And then
So
you hear
maybe
someone
it's happening somewhere, guys. Cela lisibhalele phansi.
ukuthi
Mina don't know
kungaphi,
we're
yes.
going to go there, see the councillor, interview that person and find out why kungelama Obaphuza. Let's talk about these things. What's happening? Are we complaining about time or they are not coming at all? Because mina once a week I know. And you go to Pelanga be consistent, but I know ukuthi kule langa ababuya ngalo, and it's that day every week, and ungaphuza ukufaka izibi zakho phandle ngo5 sebedlulile abantu benkosi.
Yes. And then if one person complains that hey thina kithi ababuyi,
Then everyone wants to
500 people agree.
yeah,
Like where are these 500 people? Where are they coming from? So I think so I think ezinye izinto bakithi hey asinanzeleleni ukuphonga ukuthatheka nje there's things that we can't even
true.
relate to. So information ebesikhuluma ngayo nale ukuthi sometimes the accuracy and the correctness of information is important. Yabo. So moving on, we are in the season of Amabaf here in Bulawayo, and the past days we've been celebrating Bulawayo Day as well. So and guys, Leslie was part of the BAF.
Yeah, I was part of the BAF. I am still.
So how's the experience?
I think it's a different festival this year.
Mm-hmm.
It's one thing that I'm not going to deny. My only disappointment is we want to maintain that Bulawayo syndrome of crying. Advertisement was pathetic.
Yeah, it was.
Like I will say this without any apology. It was pathetic.
Mm-hmm.
Free shows and we can't fill even one venue.
because uyazi ukuthi nani ngikutshela iqiniso ani mina if it wasn't because I'm in the arts sector I wouldn't have known ukuthi kulamabhasi.
Thank you.
Because the only way I got to find out ngamabhasi is because of people like you.
Yeah,
People like amanye
that you follow.
Uthi umuntu ngiyabona efake ku-status sakhe and stuff like that. So if a huge event like amabhaf rely on statuses as a way of marketing.
Cwela ama-TV town la.
Along Plymouth Road, there is I think 4 or 5 empty billboards abhalwe advertising space available.
Like lela eduze le theatre selizelijujukile. I think that's my only problem.
Social media, we only see artists and we're talking of artists that are performing at the buff. So the whole buff is relying on our status, performers.
And again,
as a marketing strategy.
Like we always do. We can blame our artist city welesilale advertising ama shows right? Namuhla bekule Bulawayo Day March around town right? And it had less than 100 people.
It has always been well attended though.
Yeah, this year I don't know. Like fire brigade chai siren phambili and akulabantu, it's just empty kugcwele imota zabantu abasebenza eCouncil.
Yes.
Kuphela. So I think this year is the only thing that's not happening. Otherwise, everything else is just unique. The stages are nice. I've attended over 6 events so far. I'm a stage, they're nice. Order, it's there. On Sunday there was a gospel show at City Hall. Ama artists they showed which they were prepared for it. Just now I watched MJ Sings Bulawayo Day, Omaluga, Jabulani Arts, Simunye, and other guys, and it was unique. It was nice. They were doing poetry, bebonga amakhosi that way there. So we have ukuthi ama artists babuye they prepared for this,
well
and
prepared, yes.
Babuye sibili lento because it was amazing. It's something that I've always complained about, which is especially Afro-pop, hip-hop artist. And bathanda ukuthi DJ track 4. But MJ Sings was playing with a live band. Lama BV, and it was so nice. Bampendu isa stage in wahlabela amakava akalove Mama Jaivana. It was nice, but I see your attendance ngikhangeleleyo. I'm expecting Ibulawayo Day ukuthi ngabe sesithole car park kugcwele kumnyama chu and MJ Sings le exposure umaluka ule exposure and everyone is there. Then I have to say this. I hope I'm not gonna be in trouble.
Please say it.
Yo, Comrade Phil was the MC. And Comrade Phil says there are only three things in Bulawayo. It's Bulawayo City Council. I agree. Highlanders FC.
I knew it.
I agree. And Kulumani FM.
Welcome to Benaya Foods, your trusted supermarket where quality meets affordability. From everyday essentials to beauty products, we have got you everything you need under one roof. But that's not all. We take pride in producing our own high-quality mealie meal and nutritious soya beans, ensuring you get the best straight from us to your table. With great prices, friendly service, and a commitment to excellence, shopping has never been this easy. Step in today and experience convenience like never before. Benaya Foods, the Royal Pantry.
There's a Makaka, they are going to be on stage. There's Abuchas Mahlaba, they are going to be there's a whole lot of shows that are still coming up. So I think people can visit at the Bulawayo Theatre, at Gallery, Small City Hall. Since being a Funang advertiser, as Poten, you'll just find shows all over. There's a lot of entertainment. And say about contracts, hopefully they're going to be honored.
Okay. That is nice. So do you have anything else to say about it?
Buff, no. I feel it's bigger. Now there is that festival experience in it. I saw people all the way from Mutare, Abotao, Bengilabo, Esitol, and like a lot of artists amanye sawugcina kudala, they're beginning to just I
Okay.
wanted to say jet in, but it's the wrong word for artist. We don't jet in. We
You haven't made it yet.
we walk through.
Yeah, but I make it.
So a lot of artists are just coming in, and the numbers are improving day by day. I think abantu, because first show A2 we started talking about Bath, then the next show, Kasi to Kasi, Talent Search had finals, amphitheater under our very own Deb 3. I was an MC there. Numbers were not okay, but after that now, numbers started improving because we continue to talk about the festival. So I think it should be a learning curve also for the organizers to say, don't rely on ama status ethu ngoba kulezihlobo zethu ezingafuna ubhadale ama-show. But there are people out there that want to have ama-festival experiences. And so if wona banga amplify that, it's easy for me to take their post and say, it's
Yes.
easier that way.
Now, I've always been wondering, you guys, when we're talking of artists, almost all the time, we are not talking of, we are not including Ononduduzo, the writers.
Uh-huh.
Whenever we talk of artists, we're talking about musicians, dancers, theater.
No, the issue
Actors and
of
stuff like
inclusion,
that.
no, and it's not only for you guys as writers. I can tell you, Guti, when there was a call for the festival, spoken word was not okay. Let me not cover all spoken word. Let me cover stand-up comedy. Comedy there was no application for comedy. We had to start making calls to say we don't see comedy anyway. And so I think nxa kuselectwa i-board ezarana i-festival, akuselethwe i-board across all art platforms. Kube lo muntu representa abadwebayo, kube lo muntu, so that everyone has a word inside there. But for example, mina khathesi ungathi ngirane i-festival, I've only been exposed as a thespian, as a musician bijana ngesikhathi sase-BV.
What's a thespian?
An actor and
Or
a
theatre.
comedian, yeah,
Oh,
and the comedian. So if you say Gule Festival, the first things that will ring in my head is that. But kungabalawe, you'll start telling me we need a writing workshop. Oh, yo, okay. So I think inclusion, Leana, it's important. Let's have a representative across everything. Then through that, umuntu uzakwanisa ukuthi, why don't we have this? Why don't we have this? So it's not only for you guys, Guma writers. Like literally almost everyone is crying. Because i-festival ingaranwa yimi, guaranteed abama-film abakho because angiyazi film.
and I think podcasts as well.
Yeah, because
the podcast industry is growing.
yes.
And it has a huge number of consumers.
Yeah.
So I think podcasts as well. Exactly.
Ma sculpture kumele siwabone laphana
You see.
thengiswa
So
but well,
guys,
yeah.
isikhathi sethu esidliwe nguMangoye, it's our time to go. uLeslie ayobhadala i-crush imali yabantu ayidlileyo. So guys, thank you so much for joining us khona lapha at Enkundleni Exclusive. Sibonge iDeb 3 for making this possible. So guys, I think I also need to appreciate iRoyal Shine Car Wash because
yeah
company egesi izimota yes ukuthi umlobi akwanisa ukuthi la abuye khona lapha podcast and stuff
yeah
like
and
that.
banthembisa imali i-Royal Car Wash.
So libuye lizogeza izimota eRoyal Car Wash. Sibonge Okuhle Designs, sibonge Skaftina Chicken, sibonge uGeneral Leslie. Sibonge njalo uNonduduzo Ncube. Please do follow, subscribe and like Deb 3 events khona lapho uzabona kule button lokusubscribe khona lapho, and also comment and give us your opinions on what you think about izinto esikhulume ngazo namhlanje. And also do follow me also on my social media pages in khona Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, khona YouTube, I'm there. Please do follow. Siyabonga. See you again, same place, same time.
No, not
Not
sometime.
same time.
Yeah,
okay.
not sometime.
See you again, same place.
Yeah, thank you so much, Siyabonga. This has been me and Nondutuzo. This has been Enkundleni exclusive. And guys, we support us. Bakithi sithumezela amasudu sibe bahle studio. Lesibhuda buye mbhudile and ngingadla isikafthina laphana mbhude shaya isudu mfake ithayi. But let's check out iBuff. It's happening. I'll be giving you dates for my next comedy special that's coming very soon. Should be mid-July. Poster is going to be out by next week. I'll be giving you full details. On Nondutuzo will give you full details on the next episode on my behalf by force. Otherwise, nyamba nyeke samathene same kawashi yake mahara. But for today, from me, General Leslie and Nondutuzo Ncube and our beautiful, marvelous, efficient team behind the scenes, Sititina Salibona Sangalkangel.